What is up, guys? Today is a awesome day because I finally get to lower the Lude. Just snowed last night. F30's covered in about 4 inches of snow. I think it's a great day to lower the Lude. Why not, you know? Right now I'm on my way to go get some coffee. I gotta go get some PB Blaster from the auto parts store, and then I'm gonna go over to Pat's house and we'll get going on this install. I'm just so damn excited to finally lower this thing. Oh, it's gonna be awesome, so stay tuned. Damn it. I just want to install my coilovers. Come on, train. Got what we needed. Can I please have a medium hot coffee, French vanilla regular? That's it. Thank you. Medium hot. So we just got to Pat's, got the car up on jack stands. I'll show you guys what the coilovers look like. I went with Megan Racing. I picked these up from a company called Race Consulting Agency. They actually sent me the last ones they had in stock at their warehouse. So this is what we're gonna be putting in the Prelude. So these are the coilovers, adjustable dampening up at the top, 15-way, locking rings to lower it. Should be pretty straightforward. Finally got all the wheels off. That was a real bitch. The lug nuts were way over tightened on it. So right now Pat's just trying to loosen up the brake line off the front strut. We're gonna start by just getting the 2 front struts out and then probably reinstalling the new coilovers on the fronts and then moving to the rear. So we just set up the preload on, or Pat just set up the preload on this one. I'll show you guys the difference in size. So right there you can see it's probably about 2-inch, maybe 2¼ inch drop. These are maxed out in the front, so I think we probably won't be fender to lip or anywhere near that, but that will at least give us the max potential for these coilovers. One issue we're having is the brake line attaching points don't line up, so we're just using some good old zip ties to get this thing installed. Oh yeah, whatever works. Whatever works. And that'll pretty much wrap up the fronts, and then we can move to the rear. We are on our way to the auto store to pick up a spring compressor because we tried a number of hood rat ways to compress a spring. Hood rat, and none of that worked. I wasn't actually anticipating needing this. I thought it was just gonna drop right out, but unfortunately it won't. So I'm gonna go pick up a spring compressor and we'll be back to lowering the Lude. Got the stupid spring compressor tool. This side is all done. The front on that side's done. Pat is just working on the rear driver's side.
A few moments later.
The last coil is in, looking real good. I'm gonna basically drop the car down now, see what it looks like initially, and then make any changes probably either tomorrow or maybe tonight. So let's lower this thing finally and see what it looks like. I'm so damn excited. Today was like a 10-hour day and it was supposed to be 3-4 hours maybe, so well deserved. Let's see what it looks like. Hope the jack comes out. Oh buddy, that looks so much better. Look at this. I'm so excited right now. This car looks so good. Thank you to Pat. Joey, I just met you, bro, but thank you. This was like a way longer day than expected, but oh my God, it looks so good. The Lude is finally lowered. Tomorrow it's going in for an alignment. We're gonna adjust all the fitment and everything, and Pat, I owe you a beer, or like a 30 rack actually. Thank you, man. Oh my gosh, dude. This thing looks so insane. Bro, I don't know if you guys remember, you used to be able to literally put an entire fist on top of this tire and you still wouldn't be able to hit the fender. Look now, it's not even, it actually lowered. It lowered more overnight. I was getting 2 fingers in there. Now I can barely get 1. This is, oh my gosh. And the rears, not even 2 fingers, 1 finger too. Lol, can be boys, just a little bit. So right now I'm on my way over to my storage unit to drop off the BMW shocks from the other week and also to drop off these Prelude shocks because I don't need them anymore. After the storage unit, I'm gonna head up to New Hampshire and go up to my buddy's shop. He does a really good job and I called him up to see if he would be interested in doing an alignment on the Prelude. So first storage unit, then we're gonna go up to his shop. So I will see you guys there. I definitely want to give a huge shout out to Race Consulting Agency. I'm going to put a link in the description down below. Just a huge shout out to those guys. They really went out of their way to get me these coilovers. They had one left in stock in their warehouse and they were able to secure those for me. So I really appreciate it, Race Consulting Agency. If you see this, thank you very much. And guys, if you need anything coilovers, they do all sorts of automotive parts. So go head over to their website and check them out. Let there be light. Yeah, boy. All done. Bring this back. Damn, bro. It looks so good lowered. Hey, 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 hey. Get back. Damn. All right. Let's just do a quick little walk around because I haven't really shown you guys the car since it's been like outside in the daylight. And damn, I think it sits 100 times better. Wow, this thing looks so much better.
2 hours later.
The car is all done. This thing looks so cool. I think there's even more camber now, to be honest. If you need any custom work, anything really, they do bags, they do air suspension, all sorts of stuff. Sam Zero, boy. With this car aligned, it drives beautifully. I haven't had an alignment on this thing since I bought it, so like 6 months now, and it's a very clear difference. And my steering wheel is straight. Super stoked about that. Thank you again, Sam Zero, for getting me in there today and making that happen. I do appreciate it. And guys, link down below to them if you need any performance work, anything like that. They do it all. So I'm gonna go meet up with my buddy Jero, and I'm still with Davis, and I guess we're just gonna kind of see where the day takes us. Jero just got here with his new exhaust, new wrap.
I did the fender.
Making its way, yeah, huh?
And I got the caps.
The mirror caps with some salt addition. Very nice. The car is lowered. The alignment is done. Now we just need to go get some rollers, and Jero and Davis are going to help me out with that. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, but stay tuned for those rollers. They're going to be like right after this. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe.
I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
What's up, everybody? I'm John here. What's going on? Stolen Connor's camera yet again. Doing more rollers.